This is a 2009 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It has what you need for work as well as what you want for play. This Chevrolet has a long list of incredible features including a power seat, power windows, a CD player, driver's side impact airbag, an anti-lock braking system, and this vehicle has fewer than 5,000 miles on the odometer. This truck's powertrain includes a 5.3-liter 8-cylinder engine, an automatic transmission, and 4-wheel drive. This Chevrolet has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. This truck won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Smithfield Chevrolet is located at 1109 North Brightleaf Boulevard in Smithfield. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits. When you're talking low prices, you're speaking Deacon.